What's up guys, it's John here, and for today's video it's gonna be a really quick one. It's just because I am happy. I'm just happy because I was able to figure out how to put some words and pictures in the video, like this one right here and this one. Yes! And now since I know how to do this kind of stuff, I'm gonna make a video on how I made it and who and where I actually learned it from, because when I saw the video I was like, hands down, it was very easy. I've been watching a lot of videos on how to put it since I don't have the Final Cut Pro yet. I don't have the Adobe Premiere yet, so I need to like work with my iMovie so I can like get better in it. And I was like, I need to have somewhere to actually put some of the words on around the picture or around the video itself. So I was able to do it, and I'm gonna make a video for that. Other than that, since this video is very short, I'm gonna add this one right here. I'm not sure if this is zooming in. This is the Minimalist Art classic notebook, the dotted notebook that I got from Amazon. Actually asked one of my friends to actually buy it for me because I don't have Amazon Prime. I'm cheap like that. So I asked her if she can buy it for me, and she did. She was very nice, and I think I paid her already. Not sure. Anyways, I'm gonna use this one for this whole year instead of the one that I just had and I just started doing it. I'm probably not gonna put all the stuff that already happened in January, so I'm gonna start next week because I'm probably gonna start looking at Pinterest first and see some designs and how they actually make their like weekly, daily, and what other stuff do they put here. And of course I'm gonna dedicate some pages for this YouTube, since this YouTube game is actually getting real now. I actually wanted to go for it. I'm gonna try to be more consistent in posting some videos and thinking some ideas, some of the playlists that I have. I actually have a lot already on the notebook that I already started doing all my journal. Since I'm gonna move some of my journal onto this new notebook, I'm probably gonna use the previous journal on just YouTube itself, and some of the ideas, some of my photo shoots, some of my photography stuff. So yeah, just watch out for that. I'm actually gonna make another video for that as well, for my new minimalist notebook journal, dotted journal. So yeah, this video has a lot of thinking, so like I said, this video was supposed to be short, but yep. And since I learned how to do some of the stuff now, like this one right here, I'm probably gonna use some of these on my next videos. And also stay tuned for the outro because I actually changed that one now too. It's a little bit more minimalistic and I think it looks way more nicer than my other videos. That's the end of our video today. Hopefully this video is gonna be short when I edit it. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe and like this video. And also I said wait for the outro because I actually worked for it and I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, you guys have a good day.